In search and exploration tasks, one frequent problem that searchers encounter is the vocabulary problem. This is a problem of not knowing which words are going to be used to describe the concept that you're thinking of in the collection. So for example, in Shakespeare's work, I, not being a Shakespeare scholar, didn't know the vocabulary that Shakespeare used to describe the concept of beauty and beautiful. So I decided to search for things described as beautiful. To my alarm, there was only one result, beautiful Bianca. That can't be right. So I clicked the book icon to go to the text. This took me to the exact place in The Taming of the Shrew where Bianca is described as beautiful. So that seemed like a pretty good usage of beautiful, so I right-clicked on beautiful to look at related words, hoping that I might find synonyms related to how Shakespeare used them. To my surprise, I found the following words: tractable, affable, blush, fresh, gentle, pale, fair, sweet, and good. I guess this makes a lot of sense, but I would never have thought of it, not being a Shakespeare scholar. I decided to investigate how common these other words were. To do that, I clicked on the related words, adding them to a heat map query. And you'll see what that is in just a second. Gentle, fair, sweet, and tractable I was curious about because it didn't seem like a direct synonym of beautiful. Nevertheless, WordSeer picked up on it. So I hit go, and now I'm given a heat map. What this heat map does is it represents the frequency of these words across the entire collection. And as you can see, these are a lot more frequent than the word beautiful, especially fair. This whole heat map is essentially purple. So this is a lot of information, so I'm going to zoom back out. I'm just going to look at gentle and tractable. Here we are, fair. Okay, that's still a lot of information. But we can see by looking at the individual instances of fair, it does seem like the correct word instead of beautiful. It is used the way that we use beautiful. For even more evidence, we can look at the word tree. So this shows all the contexts in which a word is used. Fair lady. So fair and wise, and unpolluted, gracious, natural, happy. That seems really interesting. So what I'm going to do is go back and search for fair, described as fair. And here we are. Bianca is extremely fair. Daughter, queen, creature, lady, a lot of women's names, a lot of things that you would expect to be described as beautiful. So I learned something. Not beautiful, fair.